So I'm out here at a job today at a customer in Caringbah for Mate Communications. Basically, they've had a new connection. The customer's plugged in his modem and they had no sync. So he spoke to Mate, they sent out a tech, said that everything's good on their end and he needs to get a private technician to come and check the internal cabling. So I've showed up today to come and find out what was going on. Now, the customer, as you can see here, they've got a Telstra leading cable popping up through here. I've disconnected the internal cabling. Now, this was directly connected to that socket, so there was no internal cabling connected to it. But there is no dial tone on it. All we're getting in is engaged signal. So on my Badinsky, if I switch it on, you can see the voltage is coming on there. But I will try and see if you can hear that. So you could probably hear that engaged signal and some crackling on the line. So as you can see, it's directly on the Telstra leading cable there. Oh, that just popped off. That's no good. But that is directly on that Telstra leading cable. So this is 100% a network issue. So mate, this is going back to you. You're going to need to send Telstra out to get this customer sorted properly. Thank you. Bye.